What's up guys, welcome to Masoni TV, your number one online TV show. Karibuni mazee, leo tuko town. Macho yangu ni red, I'm also surprised mazee. But it's because of lack of enough sleep, not anything else, but just lack of sleep. So guys, today is on a Sunday, the 8th of June 2025. Guys, tuko wapi? Tuko Nairobi CBD. There is this place that has been trending online. Sijui kama umekuwa keen hapa Moi Avenue about the how do you call it? The upgrading of Moi Avenue by the national government, Amani county government, I'm not sure, but I guess it's a county government. It's a project that has been going on for some time. Yeah, because every part of town is at least experiencing the upgrade, and it's looking super amazing. So today I brought you in this particular place just to show you what has been happening or what is different from the other parts of Nairobi. As you can see behind me, the town is looking super good. People are so busy going about their businesses, and it's on a Sunday, mazee. People are going about their businesses just to see how they'll put something at the on the table at the end of the day. So guys, without wasting much time, I just want to jump into this video. But before I do that, I just want to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to Masoni TV, just head to YouTube, Masoni TV, subscribe, comment, like, share our videos to your friends and family. Na tuone ni aje. Currently we are doing super good. There are these videos that I posted last week about the Bukuru housing estate, and they are doing extremely well. Thanks to you guys, mazee. You've been supporting me ever since, and those videos are doing super good. So guys, I just want to take you round, not actually round, it's a stretch of about 500 meters. I want to show you the major upgrade that has been happening. This particular place has been fitted with dustbins. This particular place has been some nice palm trees have been planted there, so it's looking super amazing, and some nice cabros. So guys, bring up Masoni TV, upige subscription, turn on your notification bell so that you can see this amazing video. Asanteni sana, and let's jump into it. So guys, first of all, see this place. As you can see, it's looking super amazing, fitted with some nice red cabros. And you see, this upgrade has created a lot of space in town. Unlike before there used to be a lot of congestion here, magari, piki and everything around the town. But now, as you can see, there's a lot of enough space for everyone. People can just move freely. We also have some boys taking some pictures here, which is a major boost. You can see our electric bus. So let's jump into it and just see for yourself what is going on here. But I'll limit some talking and just focus on what is going on here. As you can see, some drainages are looking super amazing. So kukinyesha maji ina flow bila wasiwasi from the roadside going on. So guys, I'm in love with this kind of tiling. They are looking super amazing, this kind of tiling. And then kando yake too, we have a stage. These cars, if you want to go to the airport, you use this bus over here. If you want to go to the airport, guys, look how this place is looking like. Super amazing. Alafu hizi zinaenda pipeline, bado tuko na magari za kwenda Ongwaro, and basically tuko opposite this iconic building. Kama mnaijua inaitwanga Kencom, and then we have Ambassador right opposite it. And then, so basically tuko Moi Avenue, and this is how Moi Avenue is looking like. So guys, this is what has been happening here. They never used to be such over here, but now you can see it has created a resting place for Nairobi residents. Now this place, you remember before, now these are the dustbins that I've been telling you about. They're looking super good. and some lighting also. Sawa sewa naweza kaa hapa mpaka late in the night because we have some security lights over here. And then look at that palm tree. And look at that. I don't know how this one is planted. Sijui kama inakonga something natural ama ni kitu tu inapikwa na madawa. I'm not sure. But this is how it's looking like. Some nice flowers and some nice lights here, street lights. Na wasee wanapoa pale kando. Initially watu walikuwa wanakaa pale archives. And I'm sure archives pia bado wata-upgrade and it will look super good. So this place has decongested archives. Wewe kizungu. This place has decongested archives because archives used to be chaotic, but nowadays at least people are getting spaces at archives. These are just resting places for Nairobi residents who wish to come and chill. It's on a Sunday, una place kitu ya kufanya, just come here and chill, take some nice photos na mambo itakuwa fiti. So basically this is how things are looking like. This place has been trending online, this particular place. Some other places, I'll take you the other side of Ambassador and you'll see the same upgrade and it's looking super amazing. So kama kawaida biashara zinaendelea. Kencom over there, we have archives here, and then right opposite we have Ambassador, and this is how Nairobi is looking like. Trust me, Nairobi has grown for the last 2 or so years. Nairobi has grown, has experienced some growth that is very commendable. Yeah. So this is how your city is looking like, or it's turning to be. And this iconic building is Hilton Hotel. Unfortunately, it's not operating. So guys, hiyo stretch venye umeicheki inaishia somewhere hapa. And we have some nice writings here like City of Hope. Nairobi CBD, the City of Hope. So, yeah. The City of Hope. So guys, this is the Kenya National Archives. Kenya National Archives. And then Hilton Hotel, though closed. And these ones, sijui kama ndio corner house ama siko sure. Yeah. Stan Bank over there. And then we have Ambassador. These are iconic buildings since the time immemorial. So guys, wacha tuvuke the other side of the road so that I can show you the rest of the upgrade, which the governor is doing a very wonderful job. I thought I was recording, but my phone was on a camera. Sorry for that. So guys, as I was telling you, tuko Kenya National Archives. As you can see Tom Mboya over there, and this is the archives itself. So I was telling you, this place serves as a meeting point for individuals, especially when you are waiting for someone who is coming from up country or any other estate, but you guys have to meet in town. This is an ideal place to have your meeting or to meet. It's a meeting point. You collect them here and then you take them to some fancy hotels or somewhere fancy where you can just chill and enjoy life. So tuko pale archives. Archives is looking good. As I was telling you, you remember where we started our video from? Kindly watch this video from start because it's about the upgrade of Moi Avenue, as I showed you. And I was telling you that Moi Avenue has decongested archives. Archives used to be chaotic. This is our Kenya National Archives. Archives used to be chaotic because everyone was here. But at least nowadays we have some spaces. You can just walk freely, do your things without even worrying. Kitambo kulikongadi na wizingine hatari sana. But nowadays things have cooled down because the governor has tried to decongest the city. Kudos to the governor. And it's not only archives na Moi Avenue, but this change has affected the whole of Nairobi. Trust me. This change has affected the whole of Nairobi. If you just take a day and just walk in the city, and you notice a lot of change. So guys, nataka ku cross barabara, niko already Moi Avenue. I have to funga simu yangu kidogo and cross, and then we continue from the other side of the city. I said tuko Moi Avenue. Maybe I give you a 360 of what is happening. This house, I don't know how we call it. I'll be reading its name in a while. Hii yenye iko na galitos hapa hivi. And then this is another resting point. Then Kencom. So this is where we are coming from. As I told you, Ambassador, we're just leaving Ambassador on the other side. Archives on this other side. The town is busy. Archives on the other side. And then to come. There is a famous shop here inauzanga manguo. Hapa tu Archives. Mr. Price, a very famous shop. So this is Kencom. So again, Mr. Price is right over there. Penye tumeandikwa Ropem Telcom. Mr. Price is right over there. Now I want to cross. So we have Pizza Inn for the lovers of pizza. Amani Pizza for the lovers of pizza. And then we have also Galitos right opposite. And today in Nairobi is a day for the photographers. See another dustbin. Nairobi is so organized nowadays. I really love it. It's a bit organized compared to the previous regime. Now this is the corner house. And now we are approaching Kimathi Street. That statue is for Kimathi, Dedan Kimathi. Alright guys, welcome back to Masoni TV, your #1 online TV show. Acha to maintain hapa hivi katikati tuone ni aje as I show you the beauty. I just noticed that place is very dangerous, but look. Old Mutual, look. Beautiful hotels and beautiful structures. Tuko Nairobi CBD mazee. Okay, the aim was just to show you Moi Avenue, the upgrade that it has received, and it's making rounds online. And it's looking super amazing. You guys have seen and you can attest to that. So we are approaching Stanley Sarova Hotel. Lakini sana sana hizi hoteli si mambo mzuri kufilm. So I'll skip, but I'll just show you from a distance and skip it, and then we continue our video from up there. So this is where we are coming from. So this is Hilton, looking super good. Asante. Let me show you the iconic Nation Center building. That's Nation Center building. Yeah. So guys, a lot has happened in Kenya. For those who are joining for the very first time, my name is Masoni and I come from Kenya. Yes. So guys, we're just crisscrossing the town. As you can see, the town is super chilled. Super chilled because it's on a Sunday. No pressure. No pressure at all. And guys, I've been telling you this major upgrade is happening everywhere in Nairobi city. As you can see just behind me, look at those cabros. This is a pathway. This is a pathway for the pedestrians. You don't use the tarmac because you can be knocked. Nairobi is a very busy city. You have to be very, very careful. Super careful. So that's why they've created these pathways or footpaths for the pedestrians, just to avoid some accidents and also to widen the city. I don't know if that makes sense, but just to make it a bit spacious compared na unajua city iko na wase wengi sana. I'll be telling you the population of the city, during the day and even during the night. Nairobi CBD holds at least 5,000 people during the day. Let's say on a very busy working day like weekdays, it accommodates up to 5 million people in a single day. And at night we have at least 4 million people at night. So mnajiuliza 1 million huenda wapi? Where does this 1 million go after the day? So they get back home. People come as far as Murang'a. People come as far as Machakos, Nakuru, just to come and transact some businesses here and then they get back. Lakini sasa wale wenye wanabaki hapa usiku ni the Nairobi residents. Wale wenye wanabaki hapa hivi sasa kuna wale wa Kamnyweso na mabiashara tu za usiku. Yeah. So guys, a lot has been happening in Kenya. Remember, we've been fighting with Tanzanians. An online war that erupted some few weeks ago. I'll be telling you the genesis of that war. That online war erupted some few weeks ago, and it started by Tanzanian president arresting some of our Kenyan people, some activists, and they deported some of very prominent leaders of this country. They were deported, some were arrested and tortured. So, and she said, sorry, Tanzanian president is a female, so she said she don't wanna entertain Kenyans because we've already destroyed our country and we wanna go and destroy her country. So she said no to that. She deported some of our leaders and she arrested also some activists, one from Uganda and one from Kenya, and they were tortured, brutally tortured. So vita zimekuwa pale mbaya, and up to date mpaka saa hii vita bado zinaendelea za online, na unfortunately for her and for the Tanzanians, international community has intervened and we are seeing some sanctions being placed on Tanzania, e.g. like their aircraft or their airlines have been banned from the EU member states. If you know, you know, but ndege zao sasa haziwezi fly kwa EU countries or member states. So guys, tuko hapa hivi Huduma Center. So I'm on Kenyatta Avenue. This is Kenyatta Avenue. This blue building is I&M building. Very iconic. If you wanna get some direction, people use that building to direct people. And then we also have the poster, or GPO is another iconic building that people use as to give direction if you are lost. I want to go this way and then get to the park because we have some meeting over there. Before now but this video is still on. I'll be ending it in the evening. So this is Cardinal Otunga Plaza. So guys, stay tuned, more stories coming regarding Mungu wa Kakamega. We have Yesu wa Tongaren. We have Mama Maria wa Yesu wa Busia. Kenya, we are ever busy. So see you then. That's Cardinal Otunga Plaza over there. And guys are just practicing to dance. TikTok videos are made in the streets of Nairobi. TikTok. How are you, sister?
Very, very fine.
What's your name?
Mary.
Sauti.
Where did Malibaba?
Sawa. What's your name?
Mary.
Mary. Mary. Do you have someone?
No.
You don't have someone?
I do like.
Are you looking? Not really. Anyway, guys, she's my sister. She's a bit shy. Lakini atatuambia wase wanatafuta wase. Sister yangu wako hapa maze, mrembo kama kitu kingine. So tuko wapi hapa? Mary, ongea. Bado unafikiria words. Anyway, guys, sorry, no, not girls, guys. We were talking about the upgrade. Today's video was the upgrade about Nairobi, and I've seen many changes here at Uhuru Park. Initially, this never used to be here, but I'm seeing they've added some beauty just besides the how do I call this now? This is a natural attraction that was built here at Uhuru Park, and then we have some lighting. I'm telling you, when you come here at night again, there is a lot of life in it. You want to speak? So she's my sister. He's my weni kijana yangu. Mwana asenge cousin yangu. He's my cousin, He's my cousin. So guys, haya, si tutaonana. Ambia wase subscribe to Masoni TV. Subscribe to Masoni TV. She's shy, guys. You'll understand. Okay, si tutaonana.
Nalo na sawa. Njaa ndi kidogo.
Dawa yako. So guys, these are the lights I'm talking about. At night the light's super nice. I wish I was here at night, but I think ipa kufungwa 6, so it's hard to access it at night. But I'm just showing you the kind of upgrade that has been put here, and it's bringing life to this park. So guys, let me just show you around. I won't take much of time. There is a pond. I want to believe this is a pond, and then there is a mini, I don't know what should I call it, a lake or a mini river or what, but people are enjoying some boat riding there. No swimming, just boat riding, and maybe just taking photos just near it. And then we have a pond here. It's a huge pond. We have some fish here. in here. This is water. The clouds you're seeing is a reflection. It's a reflection from this water, but this whole thing is a pond. There's a major upgrade. If you see from the other side, there's some nice seats for people, some nice grasses, and there are a lot of people. Roughly we have like at least 2,000 people right here, or maybe 2,000 could be a lower number, I'm not sure, but there's a lot of people here. There are a lot of people here. And then when you're here, you're just overseeing the town over there. We have expressway, and then we have Bunge Towers on the other side, pension, CBK pension towers. We have KICC, and then the parliament is just right after that. Right after that expressway, we have parliament, and then KICC. I have a video about KICC, the rooftop, and I did that video. It's there on Masoni TV. Just go and watch. And then we also have some nice cabros over here. This is a major improvement. Long time ago, there used to be a lot of mud, especially when it rains, but nowadays cabros all over, and it's looking super nice. This river is so huge from there to the other end, and then you have a bridge here. There are two bridges here. There is this one over here, and then there is another one just the other side. So the park is so huge. I wish I could tell you the size of the park, but I'll tell you before I end this video. I'll be telling you the size of this park. Yeah, so guys, it's on a Sunday and people are just having fun. Kimbia pale Masoni TV and fanya subscription. Kids are enjoying, as you can see over there. Let me zoom it for you guys. Yeah, kids are enjoying. We have several activities happening here. We have boat ride. If you want a boat ride, you go there, pay, and you're given. We have some slides over there. We have how do you call it, merry-go-round. There are a lot of activities going on here. We have horse riding, donkey, not donkey, but we have camel riding, like the one you see there. That's a camel. There are a lot of activities happening here, and some nice bamboo trees here. So this is the second bridge, and this river is so huge, as I told you earlier, so huge. And then we have Nyayo House over there, Huduma Center over there. So when you're here, you can just see the CBD in a close range. Like this park is in the CBD. So this is the second bridge. Some nice flowers right over there. Let's keep going. So we have some merry-go-round here, the motorbike riding, like the one you're seeing over there. So many activities here. But it was tarmacked. After the upgrade, it was tarmacked, and when it rains, it's awesome. No matope kwa English inaitwaje? Hakuna matope. So guys, I was telling you about the trending issues that have been happening in Kenya. I told you the story about Kenyans and Tanzanians, the online fighting that has been happening. Another thing, kuna mtu anajiita God. Kuna mtu anajiita Mungu wa Kakamega. Apparently there is a guy who is calling himself a God. Not a God. Actually he's calling himself God. This guy is telling us that he came into earth 38 or 39 years ago. That's when he landed. And his mission was just simple, to come and drive the devil out of the earth. And that is what he did. He claims he drove this devil, ama shetani, to a river. To a river. So this guy is from Kakamega and he calls himself a god. He claims he's God. So we should worship him. This is happening in Kenya. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And then there is another lady again from Busia. He's claiming to be the mother of Jesus. Mary Mother. Kenya, 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 Kenya. She's claiming, sorry, I said he. She's claiming to be the mother of Jesus. She's from Busia. And then we have Yesu Watongareni again from the western part of Kenya. The guy is also claiming to be Jesus and he performs miracles and such like stories. So Kenya is an interesting country where it's all fun and fun and fun. Kenya kuboeka ni kujitakia. Meanwhile, we are at Uhuru Park, a very huge facility. Let me confirm the size of this park and I'll be telling you in a while. Yeah, so guys, Uhuru Park is 32 acres recreational park. Look at these modifications and those other ones. And then there is this spot. We used to have a plane here just for pictures, but during the protest it was set on fire. Na sai haiko, but it used to be there. And then we used to also have to have a restaurant the other side. Lakini pia it's not in operational nowadays. It's just an empty structure. As you can see, people are just seated there taking pictures and the likes. Some are just playing football, as you can see. And this is for the motorbikes. Venye jamaa na kam na mtoi, motorbikes, horse riding, just name them. And the girls are also having fun. It's a very busy park and a very interesting one. There are a lot of modifications done here. And then the other side is called Freedom Corner. If you go to my previous video about Uhuru Park, I highlighted that specific part. So guys, see you in town, or I just end this video here. Kwani ni za Kiganda? Hala. So guys, we are outside Uhuru Park and this is Kenyatta Avenue. This is Kenyatta Avenue. Serena Hotel is right over there, just opposite. This is Uhuru Park and this is Serena Hotel. This road has been expanded. It used to be narrow, but it was expanded. You see, it's a huge road from this side to the other end. And then the footpaths for the pedestrians, as I told you, they were set on this other side. They were set on this other side. And you see, curb roads everywhere. Curb roads everywhere. This is a major step. But this one was done by Nairobi Metropolitan NMS, Nairobi Metropolitan Service or what? Yeah. So the other side in there is Uhuru Park, and we have a nice city, Nairobi city, the city under the sun. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the views. And the other park is called Central Park. It's supposed to be launched anytime soon because it's also a recreational center or a park. It's supposed to be launched very soon, but the government is taking too long. I don't know what is happening in there, but I can see some modification and some renovation going on the other side. So we hope very soon Central Park will be launched. Yeah, let me show you our public means of transport, how they look like. You see these two buses, these ones coming, those two buses, those are our public means of transport, those ones over there. and then we have the Gen Z type, the Nganya type. I'll show you if I spot one here. It's very classy, fitted with some nice screens. And then we also have some electric cars, which are public means of transport. So Kenya literally has advanced, if you ask me. Kenya has advanced. Let me show you one of those. Like that one is an electric car. That one over there. Yo, what's up good people, maze? It's your boy Masoni and you're watching Masoni TV, your #1 online TV show. Maze, tumepiga raundi city. The main aim, our main focus was just to show you the kind of development that has been happening in the CBD. For instance, I showed you the Moi Avenue, the upgrade, how it was looking like, and trust me, it's amazing. Yeah, so guys, as I was telling you, maze, the upgrade is on a high notch and the city is looking nice. So guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting your boy maze. Kwanza kuna zile video zangu which are doing extremely well. The Mukuru housing project. Those videos, if you haven't checked them, maze, ingia pale online, ingia YouTube, search Masoni TV, will pop up, just watch them maze. Thank you for your support maze, I really appreciate. Nyuma ya kamera ni ndugu yangu, lakini kidogo apendi mambo ya kamera, so you know, but I wanna say thank you so much maze. This is our city maze, this is our city maze, and this is our public transport, as you can see maze, and the town is looking super nice. Show them that structure over there. So guys, this is the Nganya thing, the Nganya mat I was telling you, the Gen Z uses. And then we have Nation Center over there. Look at that building, super nice. That one is new. I'm talking about this one here. It's looking super amazing. It's quite new. And then we have the Longhorn Publishers Africa over there. The CBD is looking super nice. And this is our Kenyatta Avenue, super busy. The kids are doing their thing. Hata ukiangalia huko chini watoi wanajibamba. Let me zoom it. Watoi wanajibamba. This other side, watoi wanajibamba, as you can see. TikTok videos are made from the streets of Nairobi. Here, people are just chilling. It's a Sunday, a very slow Sunday, and things are super good. So thank you guys. See you on the next one.